It doesn't matter that what is your age. If you can't take responsibilities for yourself and your beloved ones, and you can't accept the reality of life, then you are a boy, not a man. Here is the truth. लोगों को लगता है कि जब किसी की शादी हो जाती है, उसके खुद के बच्चे, उसकी खुद की फैमिली बन जाती है, तब वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लेता है और तब वो एक मैन बनता है. लेकिन doesn't that sound like a failure to you? कि जो इंसान बचपन में रिस्पॉन्सिबल, अपने टीन एज में रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाता है और सीरियस हो जाता है अपने फ्यूचर सेल्फ के लिए, अपने टीन एज में या फिर 25 से या शादी से पहले अगर आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनना है, एक मैन बनना है, देन आपको कुछ चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी जिससे कि आप उस लाइफ के रग्ड फेस से जा पाओगे, जिससे आप उभर के बाहर निकलोगे. पहले से ही मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड के अंदर मैस्कुलिनिटी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा टॉक्सिक बताया जा रहा है. काफ़ी लोग एंड्रयू टेट को और हमजा अहमद, ईमान गाजी, कितने जो लोग मैस्कुलिनिटी प्रमोट करते हैं और कहते हैं कि इंसान को मैस्कुलिन होना चाहिए लाइफ में सीरियस होने के लिए, उसको लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि मैस्कुलिनिटी इज टॉक्सिक एंड दैट ऑल मेन शुड डाई. इज दैट रियली समथिंग यू शुड हियर इन दिस मॉडर्न एज? वीक विलेज प्रोड्यूस स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन. Strong men produce strong village. Strong village produce weak men, and weak men produce weak village. So right now we are living in a strong village society where weak men are being produced. But it's not like that every man has to be weak, because whoever will become strong will rule on the top. Then here are the 9 rules that I have done myself in my life, and which helped me a lot to become a diamond from a coal mine. First, accept yourself. It doesn't matter that what is your age and what you are doing right now in the life, but you have to accept yourself that you are a simp or not. Look, my story was simple. I was literally addicted to porn. I was literally addicted to visit social media sites and scroll reels and all, and I was literally addicted to Netflix. I watched like everything on Netflix, but that was the case in COVID-19, and I was of young age at that time, so that was my luck. But if you are of a adult age and or going to be adult soon, like 18, 19, 20, 21 or 25, then you must avoid these things and accept yourself that you are becoming a simp, more of a simp, and you have to deny all these things and get yourself free from it. Second of all, get a purpose. Yes, purpose is very important to become a diamond. मुझे आपको बताना दो कि एक ambitious man is far greater than an average man or a good looking man. Yes, अगर आपके पास ambition है, then आप उस ambition को achieve करने के लिए जो चीज़ें करोगे, उससे आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा strong बनोगे और काफ़ी ज़्यादा unique in the crowd दिखोगे. Third, you must be patient. अगर आप पेशेंट नहीं रहोगे और आप चाहते हो कि आपको जल्दी चीज़ें मिले, देन योर डोपामाइन इज फक्ड ब्रो, एंड यू आर गोना बी फक्ड ऑफ फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट, एंड इट डजंट मैटर, इट माइट टेक यू ओनली 2 months to get success, or even can take you 2 years to get success, but eventually you will have it if you will work towards it. But if you leave it in middle, then you are going to regret it for your whole life. So if you are going to devote yourself for something, then devote yourself wholeheartedly. Fourth, cut off from whole the world for at least half an year, because if you get distracted by your friends, by your girlfriend, by your studies, doesn't matter that what you are getting distracted by, but if you get distracted in middle, then bro, you are going to do an half-assed job, and that is never good, believe me. 5, say fuck off to the world. Do whatever you want. It doesn't matter what other people say. If you like doing YouTube, do it wholeheartedly, do it purposefully, do it consistently, do it with your mind and your soul. Whatever people say, if people laugh on you, it doesn't matter, because if you get success, believe me, if you get success in any particular thing that you are doing right now, people are laughing, then those same people will come to you and ask that how to do it. They will ask for a selfie. They will brag about you to other people, and that is going to be on a whole another level, bro. You are going to be very proud of yourself that you did it. Sixth, control your emotions. Bro, let me just tell you my little story that there was a guy in my street who used to call me like कालिया मोटा जाड़ा, मतलब जो मन करता था उसका वो मुझे बोलता था, क्योंकि मेरी और उसकी फैमिली की लड़ाई हो गई थी थोड़ी बहुत. इतनी बड़ी लड़ाई नहीं थी, बट उसको पता नहीं क्या हो गया, उसने मुझे बहुत चिढ़ाया. बट यू नो व्हाट आई डिड, मैंने कभी भी उसका रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया. यस, आज तक मैंने, मतलब आज तक नहीं, कभी भी मैंने उसका रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया. मैंने हमेशा उसको इग्नोर किया, हमेशा. और आज 5 साल बाद, मतलब वो चीज़ 2 साल तक चली थी, लेकिन 2 साल बाद पता नहीं ऐसा क्या हुआ, उसको समझ गया शायद कि मैं कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करने वाला हूँ, और वापस वो थोड़ी थोड़ी बात करना स्टार्ट हुआ, और अब वो मुझे ऋषि भैया कह के बुलाता है. सो द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट अगर आप अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल में रख सकते हैं, देन आप बिगड़े वैसे बिगड़े इंसान को भी अपने आप को रेस्पेक्ट कराने में ला सकते हैं. 7th point is one of the most important point, that sleep on time and wake up on time. A person who can't even control his mind to go to sleep can never become successful, and I can write it down and give it to you. You must sleep on time and you must wake up on time to get discipline, to get extreme discipline in life. Just put your phone aside and just go to sleep. It doesn't matter. Don't sleep in afternoon. Do some hard work so you will get instantly sleep. If you doesn't get it, forget it. Just like my mother used to say that do ram in sleep while sleeping, and you will eventually get sleep. I was like, no, that doesn't work, but that does work, and I do it every day, every single day, and I get to sleep. And if your sleep cycle is very bad, then it is going to take you at least 4 months to change your sleep cycle back to normal. But bro, that is a short period of time. You can do it. I'm telling you because I have done it. 8th, delete your social media to find some true peace. Because if you can't even delete your social media or cut off from your world, then bro, you can't find your inner self, and you will not be able to find the true peace that I'm talking about. Just do it for a week and you will realize that how quiet this world is, how silent and how beautiful this world is. The 9th one, that do an physical sport every day. Yes, it doesn't matter that it is gym, it is boxing, it is football, cricket, whatever it is, at least give your body and physical strength minimum 1 or 2 hours a day, and you will have the result, bro. In an year you will have a very good body, and the compound effect will just generate very awesome result that you will not even realize that what are these good things happening in my life. I have experienced every single thing of what I have done in this, and it was totally experience based. If you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know the benefits of quitting social media, then there will be a pop-up in the last. Just click on it and watch the video. And how do I know all this stuff? Because I have already ascended, still leveling up. Goodbye.